Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use caffeine pills. First, understand that caffeine pills are a concentrated form of caffeine, often found in coffee or tea. They provide a quick and convenient way to increase alertness and combat drowsiness. Each pill contains a precise dose, usually 100 milligrams or 200 milligrams, making it easy to manage your intake. This can be very helpful for staying focused during long tasks or early mornings. When starting, begin with a lower dose, such as 100 milligrams, to see how your body reacts. It's crucial to understand your personal tolerance. For optimal effect, take the pill about 30 to 60 minutes before you need to feel more awake and focused. Remember, caffeine takes time to enter your system. To ensure a good night's sleep, avoid taking caffeine pills too late in the afternoon or evening. It's important to prioritize safety when using caffeine pills. Never exceed 400 milligrams of caffeine daily from all sources, including coffee and energy drinks. Overconsumption can lead to unpleasant side effects like jitters, increased anxiety, or an upset stomach. If you have any underlying health conditions, such as heart issues, or are taking other medications, always consult your doctor before incorporating caffeine pills into your routine. For the best results, integrate caffeine pills into a healthy lifestyle that includes sufficient sleep and a nutritious diet. Caffeine is not a substitute for these fundamental habits. Staying well hydrated is also key, as caffeine can have a mild diuretic effect. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals in the description below. Always listen to your body and adjust your caffeine intake as needed for optimal well-being.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.